Hello everyone, I'm Daniel from Bitcoin Famba from Mozambique, and today I'm gonna talk about how does the initiative helps social community projects. So right in this picture, we are helping the existing social community project Maputo Skate and Education, which is an existing social project that educates and supports kids using skates as education. Moving on. Okay, so why Mozambique and Bitcoin? So in Mozambique, like many other Africa countries, you have a young population with limited financial access, and Bitcoin is used as a tool for education, for freedom, for human rights. The idea is to be an initiative for community first in mind. Obviously, no crypto trading, no speculation. In this picture, we are onboarding into Bitcoin another social project. This is Luandi Surf from Ponta Douro. They educate kids using surf and also yoga and capoeira. Okay, so. What is Bitcoin Famba? Grassroots Bitcoin education adoption in Mozambique. So we are supporting local circular economies, not just by onboarding merchants, but onboarding social community projects. And okay, we are aligned with Bitcoin-only movements. So what we see here, these are kids from the Maputo Skate Social Project helping the kids from the Luandi Surf Project. So the projects are helping each other. Okay. So here in this room, we have Francisco from Maputo Skate. Francisco, we have Gabriel there from Luandi Surf also, okay? So the idea is youth education. So we started with skate and education. Maputo Skate was our first social project. Basically peer-to-peer learning, Bitcoin basis, skate culture. Then what we learned from Maputo Skate Education, our first social project, is, okay, hands-on learning works, youth engagement comes before technology, and Bitcoin education builds confidence in it. So these are the kids from Maputo Skate. They are helping the kids from Luandi Surf, okay? So it's not as, it's more than just a circular economy of merchants. It's a circular economy of social projects, okay? So Luandi Surf they use surf as a therapy, they use yoga, they use capoeira, youth empowerment, and Bitcoin onboarding point. So they're just starting this month. So eventually this will be a new Bitcoin circular economy, all right? So Gabriel is there, shout out. Let's go. So why Luandi Surf matters? Okay, so it's an existing social project. It's a trusted local social project. So Bitcoin integrates naturally into community life, right? From savings to real lightning usage. So what you see here, these are not just the kids from Luandi Surf, it's the kids from multiple social projects interacting, okay? So beyond communities, also we want to support our local software developers, our local builders, programmer builders. So we want to support them with initiatives like BitTrust, Africa Free Routing, Bitchala, 21 from Brazil in Portuguese that can help the Mozambique community that speaks Portuguese. So we are supporting some software developers. I think this is one of our brightest, youngest software developers, Custodio da Sara Titos. We are supporting him and also other ones to go to the Johannesburg Lightning Bootcamp from Africa Free Routing in 1 week. I think it's 1 week, right? Okay, so call to action. Please support grassroots Bitcoin education in Mozambique. If you can, partner with Mozambique community projects. Let's build the African Bitcoin circular economy together. We still have 20 seconds. So basically just say that besides just onboarding merchants, it's very important to onboard social projects. And besides just onboarding the social project, it's very important that the members of the social community project become entrepreneurs. So one thing is just onboarding merchants, but if they become entrepreneurs, it's much better, right? Thank you.
Thank you.